We're back.
You see that flip?
Yeah.
I cannot master that flip at all.
Just to say that.
The amount of buff. Look, you see?
That is part of the thing.
No, boy.
Look at that. That cook's shaking the head out.
I would do that flip home.
If you don't make mess in the kitchen, something wrong. Eddie.
You come and tell wifey that.
Neil. If you don't make mess in the kitchen.
Nah, but understand, that flip, I've tried to master that flip. Man. I can't get it, but. I can't do it.
No,
not now. Don't tell me to do it now.
It's the risk.
It's the risk.
I practice it over. It's years. How long I do this show? I do this show 7 years.
Yeah.
I practice it, Jase.
You have it, boy.
I practice.
Could you higher than that?
It's in the risk. They won't make birthday.
Is he high flip? Like an omelette? Blap. You have that one?
No. I'm running out of recipe for my brother, Jus Jase. This one brought to you by the folks at Blue Ribbon.
Ooh.
And Blue Ribbon has brought out a movie dog.
Serious?
Check this fella now.
Whoa. Blue Ribbon, we had a talk. We have to talk.
So I was saying, okay, so what am I going to do? Can I just make a hot dog for Jase? Come on, man.
Nah.
Jase has been around the block. Jase has had quite a few hot dogs.
Yeah.
What do I do?
So tell me what you're gonna do. I'm curious.
I'm still trying to work it out as we speak.
All right.
So these onions, I said, let me start with
that.
it.
Okay.
I started with these onions, and I was thinking barbecue. I was thinking hot dogs, and then I was thinking tacos. All kind of similar, you know.
We could mix all or no?
We could just bring all together.
Yeah, like a mix.
That's how I like to do it. Like a
mega mix. Like a mega mix. Like a mashup. You know what I mean?
Like a mix. And that's exactly what we're doing.
Okay.
I'm doing a barbecue taco dog.
I love it.
So a hot dog.
I'm sold. Look, see, I'm pulling on.
You're getting excited.
Yeah.
You're getting excited. Barbecue. I'm going to read the barbecue ready. It will be the quickest barbecue sauce with these onions that you'll ever see.
All right, cool.
If you're intimidated by making a barbecue sauce.
No, I'm not intimidated at all. Do your thing, my
you
brother.
won't be after that. So what I'm doing, I'm taking these Blue Ribbon movie dogs, the Big 6 movie dogs, and I just want to create a little slice. I'm not cutting it right through, Jase. I think what they call this butterflying. Why is because I want some surface area.
Okay.
Because I'm going to throw these dogs on the grill.
All right, nice.
So I kind of just open it up here like that. And just like that, you have these dogs.
Ooh, all right.
And they go
on the grill.
On my hot grill.
Okay.
I came up with it. I said I couldn't just do hot dogs.
Yeah, nah, hot dogs.
I couldn't just do.
That's a disservice.
So check this out now, Jase.
All right, let me see what you do.
This is the quickest kind of barbecue sauce that you will ever pull together.
Okay.
Real simple ingredients that everybody have in their pantry. So I am going to just get some ketchup. I would say about a half cup of ketchup. I get some Jira.
Okay.
I'm spicing it up a little bit.
Okay.
So remember tacos.
Yes.
So we're going taco flavors.
Yes.
I have some paprika.
Nice.
I have some sugar.
Right.
Good old brown sugar, baby. Right. I have some good Trini pepper sauce.
Nice.
This is just a little kick.
It's very hot, or
so this I am a slight pepper kind of guy.
Right, that means you can like.
Right. I am a slight pepper kind of guy.
Okay.
I just have a little apple cider vinegar.
Okay.
So I really want a little touch of it. I'm very careful when I'm using.
Yes.
It really adds some good acidity.
But you don't want to overpower it.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Honey.
Throw all.
Yeah.
Throw all.
I know he's a sweet man.
Yeah, throw all. Honey, papa.
So basically the flavors that I have in here, salt, pepper is that kind of sweet and savory kind of vibe. All I want to do is just mix together that. Do you believe you have barbecue sauce here?
That's it. That's barbecue sauce.
Anybody tell you it's not barbecue sauce, tell them Copper Joe said it's barbecue
serious?
sauce.
I take no word.
Barbecue sauce. So check what I'm gonna do.
Let me flip.
You like shipping this here. Just all I'm doing after these onions have been nice and caramelized, I am pouring this fella straight there.
Okay.
So not only barbecue sauce, you don't have barbecue onions. And I just don't want to just get that mixed in together. Let the barbecue sauce meet the onions.
The flip, baby, man. I don't learn this flip. Somebody please teach me the flip. I want to learn the flip.
Yes.
I don't have the flip. Ay, ay, ay.
Nice grill marks, boy.
Grill marks there, Papa.
And there's no time to pull it together.
Okay.
So what we doing?
You're going soft taco shells.
So you could use the hard shells. I am just
Right,
a
soft shell.
cushy guy.
Right.
I like to now bring texture.
Okay.
So what I will do is that I have some coleslaw, simple coleslaw.
This is what you made?
This simple coleslaw that we made.
This is not packed coleslaw, right?
Hey, we don't do pack. We don't do pack on the show. We don't do pack on the show. I want a nice layer. This is where the nice little crunch will come.
Yes.
So this is where you're creating the taco dog now.
Okay, cool.
Right?
Flip the flip.
Money is looking good. I'm flipping just for Jase. And Jase, my hot dogs now.
They're ready?
Ready to roll. So I am just gonna layer this bad boy from Blue Ribbon.
Ooh, the
So you
big
see
six.
now why I butterflied.
Yes.
You understand why I butterflied? So now you have a nice surface area there.
To work with.
And you rest it on top of the coleslaw like that. And now some nice hot onions.
Ay.
Barbecue onions.
Barbecue onions.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. And I just really want to get some cheese now. Simple cheddar cheese.
Yes.
You can experiment with your cheeses.
Okay. You could do it. If you want to do a 3 cheeses, you could do that.
Yeah, you could mix your cheeses here. I just went for some simple cheddar.
Right.
This is what I had in the fridge, and this is what I'm using today.
Hey, all good.
What I like is a cheddar and mozzarella mix.
There you go.
That's the perfect kind of combination for me. Jase.
Nice idea. Wow.
So let me show you.
So show me the wrap.
So all we do in here now is bam, bam.
Like a doubles.
Like a you want to like a double. You want to like a double.
Yes, you flip. Ooh, this mine thick boy. You give me the thick one.
Are we busting our way too?
Cheers, my brother.
Cheers,
Right?
cheers.
Hot. Onion hot.
If I don't try to just have next one. This is
Get any proper name again?
Bbq Taco Dogs. Brought to you by the folks at Blue Ribbon. Try the recipe on our YouTube channel.
That's a big 6, let me show them. Salute to Blue Ribbon. You have a new friend.
When we come back to share a cup with Jase, celebrating 30 years in radio. Wow. Meet Mouths Rule. Courtesy Blue Ribbon. The taste you love, the name you trust.